Kayang dapat tawan yang kasni kabakut dengan dapat senrai kali kejeng Ïakhluit bagi dia tinmi apa yang ngut ki MLA Garo Hills ketahu senit sangma MLA jaka sang Kongres mat MLA jaka sang NPP Pak William Nakar kapoi barang ya keren ya kamat kebede bagi jeng siat yap jeng kena ngut ki brio kabelaja Garo Hills ka live portrait unai luar kasam arajar san.
To the Honorable Chief Minister for making effort to give extensive reply and response to. In the reply of the Honorable Chief Minister, I could see he was trying to compare and rather responding to the points that we have submitted. He was trying to speak in the air, without basing on the facts and figures. I doubt. So randomly I just selected 2 points. In his DISA meeting, he has found National Old Age Pension Scheme till 2 years also people were not getting. Because he is the Chief Minister. He is the Chief Minister. He is the Chief Minister. He is not in the opposition. So it should be his every word that he uttered should be based on facts and figures, sir. Just clarification. It is just clarification. I have the right to. Even the it took 1 year. In which bill it took 1 year. I would like to get categorical reply by the Honorable Chief Minister, because it is the habitual of this Honorable Chief Minister to point out like this, comparing without basing, not basing on the facts and figures. And Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, I would like to refer to the submission made by the Honorable Member from Fulbury.
Sir, under Rule 300, sir, I'd like to raise a point of order.
Give my submission, sir.
Okay.
Mr. S.G. Esmatur Mominin, in his submission, was referring to the incident due to ambush in 2005. It is a closed chapter. Judicial inquiry was done and completed. But if I speak the truth, Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, I am just talking. Let me talk about. I am not scared, that is why I am speaking. If I would have been scared, I would just keep quiet. I would just keep quiet. Why are you scared? If I am scared.
Why can't we discuss?
Let me submit, sir. Let me submit. It is not the place to play politics. Chief Minister himself has said that to keep politics aside. It is because of malicious and political conspiracy made by certain politicians.
We're lost. Why you are scared of discussing this?
I am not scared.
You are scared.
If I would have been scared, I would keep quiet, Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir.
Yeah, you could carry on. But
people are watching.
Please be calm.